So in database form in Notion, you can also add in a section where users can select date. So to do that, I'm going to click on the plus button over here, and then you can see that date is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click, then you can simply go ahead and type in, let's say for example, date of birth right here, for example. So they'll be able to select a particular date of birth. So you can see that you can also add in an end date as well, or you can include time as well if you want to, and add in a description to it as well, or mark this out as a required field as well. So you can see that the question type is date. I can change it out into other type of question as well. So once you go ahead and add this and go to preview right here, then you can see that if I were to click right here, then you can see that I can choose a particular time right here, just like this as well. So you can see that as I click on this, this is what you have. You can go ahead right here, and then you can see that I can go ahead and type in the time right here, just like this as well, and submit just like this. And this is how you actually go ahead and get the submission right there. And that is how you can go ahead and then get database form date inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.